Hey everyone, my name is Juan and today we'll be unboxing the Adidas Trae Young 1 shoes. Last September, I messaged the Adidas Philippines Viber group and inquired if they have the Trae Young 1 shoes available. And to my surprise, they have it. Thank you to the Viber store representative for helping me find a size 12 US pair from Trinoma. I used GCash to pay for the shoes and booked Grab Express for pickup, and a couple of hours later, they're here. The box looks really clean and white with some glossy ice crystals design when reflected with light. On the side, there's the price of the shoes and my 12 US shoe size indicated. And there's a strong reminder from Trae Young to his doubters on the top of the box, so watch out! I collect first releases of signature basketball sneakers for casual wear, and these shoes, the Adidas Trae Young 1, is Trae Young's first signature basketball shoes. Trae Young is one of the most exciting players to watch in the NBA. He is an all-star and is currently playing as point guard for the Atlanta Hawks. He made an indelible mark in the league during last season's playoff run. It's also in the playoffs where the Trae Young 1 made its debut in the basketball court. The pair that I have on hand right now is the ICEE blue colorway, showing Trae Young's love for the icy drink during his childhood days, and it also represents his moniker Ice Ray, because he is cold as ice under pressure. The low-cut shoes comes with boost cushioning that is fully exposed on the heel. While the rubber outsole looks a lot like the Fit You Wear technology back in the 1990s. The words "Always Remember" is embossed just below the side of the toe box. The upper of the shoes is mostly made of 50% recycled content that is in line with Adidas' initiative to minimize plastic waste. And this is a big deal. Aside from boost, almost the entire midsole is made of light strike cushioning, adding more comfort when you wear the shoes. On the heel tab is Trae Young's signature, and below it is a graphic of the icy bear, which also reminds me of my elementary days in the late 80s, since we also have this drink available in school. Shout out to Diliman Preparatory School. Here we see Trae Young's logo on the tongue with a tongue cover that hides the laces. The shoes also come with extra white laces with lace locks just in case you want to switch it up. His jersey number 11 is printed in the insole using the ICEE font, giving it a really cool touch. And now, it's time to take the Trae Young 1 shoes for a spin. All in all, the shoes is very comfortable to wear. The fit runs a bit long, so you may want to go half a size down. But for me, this is already perfect, since I do want a bit of wiggle room for my toes. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing video. Always remember to wash your hands and brush your teeth. Have a great week ahead and have a good one!